This video is showing the arcade with pins and both digital sensors and an analog sensor. The digital sensor is the button press, and the digital output is to the red LED light. If I press the button, it will blink 4 times. That's what it says in the code. I'll show you that code in just a minute. The other kind of sensor is the light sensor. That's this little oval part right here. And the code says every half a second, read the light reading and then print it as a score right there. If the light reading goes down, then the little Neopixel light will start blinking a light show. Right now it's just white. I've got this Neopixel wired the middle leg to number 14 pin, and it's got both voltage and a ground wire going into the Neopixel. The red LED has just 2 wires, a ground wire and then the yellow wire, which is going over here to pin number 2. Now I'm going to cover over the light sensor so it will get dark, and you'll see the LED light show start. See, it's going red. Now it's doing a bunch of flashing. That's because I've covered it up and the light reading has gone down. Now I'm going to take my thumb off and the light reading goes back up, and that stops the light show. Now I'm going to do it again. Cover the, I'll show you that again. Cover it. It starts the light show. Now it's got more light, so the light show doesn't play. Now the light show starts playing. Here's what the code looks like. It just says on game update right there, read the light level. Then it says every half a second, if the light level is dark, then make the light show play. Here's where the storyline is showing. There's the story printing. And then the last part is over here with blinking pin number 2 digital on and off 4 times. That's it for now.